Oo. So, ang day off niya na naman nito 13 and 14. Pero tingin ko uwi siya. Kasi namimiss niya na yung mga anak niya. Pupunta niya yung mga anak niya. Pabata ka ng pabata. Wow, talaga lang ha. Alright, okay, let's do another David Pomeranz song for you on this day. Ayan, shoutout Lava. Ayan, tsaka kay Christian, shoutout din. Alright, coming up next, another David Pomeranz song on this day. Most requested song for you today. Here we stand today, like we always dream, starting out our lives together. Light is in your eyes, love is in our hearts. I can't believe you're really mine forever. Been rehearsing for this moment all my life, so don't act surprised if the feelings start to carry me away. On this day I promise forever, and on this day I surrender my heart. And here I stand, take my hand, and I will honor every word that I say. And on this day, nakakabata talaga ang may jowa, sabi. Dapat maghawa na rin pala ako. Mahawa. Langya ka dyan. Nainggit pa to. Now everything's revealed, and the story of my life is all about you. So if you feel the cool winds blowing through your night, I will shelter you and forever here to chase your fears away. On this day I promise forever, and on this day I surrender my heart. And here I stand, and take my hand, and I will honor every word I say on this day. Ayan, shoutout Jay. ID number, ayan, ID number ni Christian, ayan. So don't act surprised if the feelings start to carry me away. On this day I promise forever, and on this day I surrender my heart. And here we stand, like I planned. Please say you'll always look at me this way, like on this day. Ayan, sabi nila ba depende sa jowa kung nakakabata. Ganon. Depende pala sa jowa. Oo. Kaya nakakabata.